Saving elephants. African elephants use their long trunks to grip food items and suck up water. Their sharp tusks are useful for digging and moving objects. Elephant tusks are made of ivory, which is considered very valuable. Ivory has been carved into artwork and traded like money. Because of ivory's value, elephants are illegally hunted for their tusks. Conservation organizations work with governments to pass laws that help protect elephants. Although elephants are still endangered, people are working hard to save them. From African Elephant Conservation Act of 1989, Statement of Purpose. The purpose of this title is to perpetuate healthy populations of African elephants. The Congress finds the following. Elephant populations in Africa have declined at an alarming rate since the mid-1970s. The large illegal trade in African elephant ivory is a major cause of this decline and threatens the continued existence of the African elephant. The African elephant is listed as threatened under the Endangered Species Act of 1973, and its continued existence will be further jeopardized if this decline is not reversed. Your discussion questions. Number 1, what new information did you learn about African elephants? Question number 2, why do you think people want to protect the African elephant? Question number 3, how does the African Elephant Conservation Act of 1989 help protect elephants? Number 4, what challenges do animals face in their environments? And number 5, what animals besides elephants are endangered or threatened in their environments?